Okay, all right, this is a worksheet that we did on Monday. So this was done on 1/8/24. All right, and this was just kind of a extra practice of what we started on Friday, this past Friday the 5th. Okay, same type of problem, except it's just more of like a word problem form. All right, so you go to a shop, you buy an item that usually costs $70. They have a 50% off sale. How much do you pay for the item? Remember, what we have to do, we have to always change our percentage to a decimal. So remember, our decimal point is always going to be right there, right between your number in your ones place and the percent sign, right there. And we're going to move it 2 places to the left. By moving it 2 places to the left, what we're really doing is we're dividing by 100. Every time you move your decimal point, you're moving by a power of 10. So this is, and you're dividing. If you move to the left, you're dividing. If I were to move my decimal point to the right, I'd be multiplying. So this is divided by 10, and then 10 times 10 divided by 100, all right? And that makes sense because remember, a decimal is just whatever that number is over 100. That's what a percentage is, okay? All right, so in the decimal form, 50% as a decimal is just 0.50, okay? Now, when we do these discounts, we're just gonna take our decimal form of our percentage, multiply by the original price, okay? So this is 50% of 70. That's 0.50 times 70, which is, if you do your calculation, is 35. Okay? Now we're going to take this amount and subtract it because this is the dollar amount of our discount. So 50% of 70 off means that we're getting $35 off, okay? So 70 minus 35 is 35. So we're going to pay $35. In this case, the amount of the discount is the same as the amount that we're going to pay. Okay? All right, and then just follow those steps for all of these. Change to a decimal, so it's going to be 0.25 times 88. That's going to give you an answer right here. Take this, subtract it from the original cost, and that's what you're going to pay.